Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Synthetix staking and SNX rewards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Synthetix staking and start earning SNX rewards, begin by visiting the official Synthetix website. Ensure you have a compatible Ethereum wallet, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, installed and set up. Next, fund your wallet with Ether to cover transaction fees on the Ethereum network. Once your wallet is funded, navigate to the stake section of the Synthetix platform. Connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button on the website. Select your wallet provider, and follow the prompts to link your wallet to Synthetix. After connecting, you will see your SNX balance displayed on the site. If you do not have SNX tokens yet, you can purchase them on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Once you have acquired SNX, return to the Synthetix platform. Look for the option to stake your SNX tokens. Enter the amount of SNX you wish to stake. Review the information regarding staking rewards and potential risks. If you are ready, click the Stake button to proceed. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the gas fees and confirm the transaction to begin staking. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain, your SNX tokens will be staked. Now, you are eligible to earn SNX rewards for your staked tokens. Monitor your staking status and rewards periodically through the Synthetix dashboard. If you wish to stop staking, return to the Stake section and select the option to withdraw your tokens. Confirm the transaction when prompted, and your SNX tokens will be available in your wallet once the transaction is processed. Always stay updated on Synthetix developments and community announcements for any changes in staking procedures or reward structures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.